Today, I'm gonna show you a 2-light setup that's not only fast and easy, but that's gonna take you from novice to almost professional in less than 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Well, say hi to the homie Rick. He's gonna be our stand-in today. And I'm gonna show you, like I said, this quick and easy 2-light setup that's gonna just raise your production value way up and show you Rembrandt lighting at the same time. And it's something that Rembrandt lighting is something that you see all the time in movies and testimonials. You see it all the time if you know what you're looking for. And that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so let's get to it. Now, this light is what we call a key light. Okay, that's the main light, which is the Moelis G300 from Zhiyun, and it's at a 45-degree angle from the subject. And Rembrandt lighting is basically this triangle that you get under the eye of the person. That's called Rembrandt lighting. So basically, that light to darkness, you know what I mean? It creates that almost 3D vibe versus a 2D flat image. You know, lighting really separates the person from the background. Okay, so now let's turn on the rim light to give it that extra production value. And as you see, it gave it that extra production value because what it's doing is creating depth. And what we're doing is creating light to shadow to light to shadow to light. And it just keeps going on from there. You can add light to the background. You can do whatever you want to do. But this is the basic concept of what we're doing through light and shadow. And by the way, the rim light that I'm using is from Zhiyun, the C100. It's my workhorse. And it's also an RGB light. Now, as you see, I have the light towards him, okay? So if you're looking to create some drama, just take the softbox and swing it away from him, almost to a side profile, which is gonna create more contrast, more drama, and we still have a little bit of that Rembrandt lighting on. Looks good. So that's about it. Just wanted to show you a fast and easy way that you can create a 2-light setup that's gonna really, really bring that production value up, all right? It's about placement. Everything's about placement and knowing a few little tools of how to use them and where to use them. It doesn't have to be difficult, and that's my job. I'm gonna make sure I make this easy for you to understand so that you can grow and become successful and, you know, just do what you have to do. That's what I'm here for. I've been doing this for over 20 years. Trust me, I got you. You feel me? But that's about it, y'all. So, you know, make sure to leave any comments. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Also, any equipment that I use for this, I will have the link in the description below. If you purchase them and use my link, I get a little something, no extra cost to you. Just help support the channel a little bit. But other than that, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. And remember, it's your brand, your vision, and your frame. I'm out.